All right, it's September 8th, 2021 down here in Murrells Inlet, South Carolina. Standing in front of the Wahoo's fish house there. Yeah, this little parking lot out front here of the marsh walk they have here. It's the off season here, so I figured we'd just come and walk down the boardwalk there and see what's open during this time of the year. A little windy today. I hope the sound's not too bad, but we're going to give it a try. This little restaurant right here is called Bovine's Wood Fried Specialties, I believe. I believe I said that right. Yeah, this marsh walk is full of restaurants and bars. Not really shopping down here, so we'll cut it on and off as we go. We're on the boardwalk now. There's a look back at Wahoo's. Came on around. You see out there at the marsh, got people got their boats stocked here. As you walk the marsh, what you're going to find is restaurants and bars, that sort of thing. A lot of nightlife here. During the day, you're going to have come down here. People come out here to charter boats and rent jet skis and pontoon boats. You can see up through there. If you come out here on the end of this little pier here, you can see the goats there on the other side. So there's goats on that. It's called Goat Island, I believe. And I've been to a lot of places that have places called Goat Island. I got one up there in High Rock Lake where I live, and there's one on Lake Norman called that, but there's no goats there. And so this is the first one I've ever seen that actually have goats, so that's good to see. See somebody coming in, getting pulled by a jet ski on a raft there. Looked like probably had a good time. It's called Snug Harbor right here. Got your pirate. Everybody's got to have a pirate and a parrot.
I had two charters set up. Carol and I walked out, man, I'm all chartered down.
Got a statue here. It says Bubba Love. So maybe he's somebody famous in this area. I'm not sure. Yeah, this is the Snug Harbor entrance. You can park right there. You can park anywhere along this boardwalk. I'm not sure how long it is exactly. Freshwater sports you'll find here. Little signs telling you about the fish. And you got kayaks you can go out on too and rent yourself or take tours of the marsh. You know, nice jet skis down there. This Bubba's Love Shack. Peter's Grill and Bar. And Bubba's Lifeguard Service up there. Yeah, at nighttime, especially in season, these places will be full, a lot of real crowded. A lot of fun down here, a lot of drinking and partying going on in these little bars. There. I don't know what they sell. It's closed right now, maybe. I ain't sure what they sell. Yeah, here where you come get your fishing charter information. They got their numbers everywhere. Sure, they'd love to have your business. I saw a couple come in on a pontoon earlier, and now there's another couple going out. So that's a popular thing to do. Birds out there flying around. Yeah, mullet hut here. They're not selling any beer today. Maybe they do at night. I can imagine a lot of these are shut down over the winter. one here's creek rats. It's a lot of fun. Got a lot of grassy areas to sit. While you drink your beer, play cornhole. Got that road there. You can sit out and look at the marsh. You can see they got lights. It'll be all lit up at night. Just beautiful down here, really. Daytime or nighttime. But yeah, a lot of people talk about the Marsh Walk. I just wanted you to see it when it wasn't very crowded. There's no shops here for, you know, like you can go in and buy clothes or anything like that. It's all bars and restaurants. So if you're thinking it's going to be a place you can come sit and drink while your wife shops, wrong. It'd be good if they did have something like that. I imagine they'd probably make a lot of money. And they all the bars have the cool little names. It's Dead Dog Saloon. Come in here, get rowdy. And nothing rowdy today, just a bunch of people in there eating with their families. A sign showing you where you're at, and I imagine that is a little booze cruise you can take on the little pirate ship when they're running. I don't see anything that says that, but I'm gonna guess that since there looks like a menu over there. Has to be something like that. Inlet Beer Garden here. It's a big old place. Got a pop-eyed parrot. They got cruises and events. Here's the money, $20 per person. Yeah, sunset cruises. Probably not a bad deal. Got another boat over here. Looks kind of wonky looking. Let's see what it is. I don't know what that thing does. Got some big engines on the back. Got kind of a pirate look to it. Almost looks like it could be a scuba diving boat. I don't think it is, but I feel like they probably do some kind of tour. It doesn't look very, I don't know what that is. It doesn't look like it's set up right now to do anything. If you live down here, maybe you can tell me about that boat. Is that something you can go out on, or is that some kind of work boat? What is this? This might just be somebody's personal boat. I don't know. Yeah, but they got information here about the marsh. I love walking around in marshes and taking those little tours out away from where the people are. There's a look back from the way we came. That restaurant right there.
If my cousin Carol ever came down to visit you with me, she would know a lot about it.
This is an interesting looking little boat. That's odd looking. Maybe they take that out and you can go out and slide down into the water and jump off. Looks like it's like a little adventure boat. It looks like you can jump down from there and bounce off of that little trampoline on the front there. I don't know, anybody been on that boat? I see people jumping, so maybe it's something you rent and you go out there and just have a little party on. Here's another look at the parking lot. So you can bring an RV in here and park. This is right outside the Claw House here. Kind of nearing the end of the boardwalk now. There's Mojo's Marina Bar and Grill. Wicked Tuna down here. It's the inlet loop. Shows where you at on this map. Kind of like the different stores advertising. We're going down out here on the end, and I'll turn it back down then. I can't talk. I'll turn it off and then I'll turn it back on when I get to the end. We'll look back across at the boardwalk, and I think I'll call it right there. All right, we're gonna have to end it here. They got the end of the pier blocked off for some reason. Looks like they're doing maybe some work up there. So yeah, there's a look at the marsh walk. I just wanted to show you what it looked like when there wasn't a lot of people on it. And this is the shoulder season now, so this is about what it will be like during the day. I'm sure at nighttime it picks up. Those restaurants and bars will still fill up with people down here. So yeah, I think I'll end it with one last look at those birds flying off in the distance. And trees out there across the way there, those houses. That's a Garden City. Did a little video on that if you want to check that out too. Anyway, I'm gonna end it right here. Hope you enjoy this little walk and talk of the Marsh Walk here in Murrells Inlet, South Carolina. If you did, I appreciate it. If you like, subscribe, and share. Y'all take care.